Hello everyone, welcome again to yet another tutorial on iOS Essential. In last tutorial of CGAffineTransform, we took ourselves to journey of scale animation. In this tutorial, we will look at last form of animation in CGAffineTransform, that is rotating our view in 2D. So let's deep dive into action now. First, we'll see what we did in the last few tutorials. So first, this was translation animation. Then we see the scaling animation. So this is our scaling animation. Now let's do some coding for rotational animation. So let's quickly create the UI for that. It will be same as the earlier ones. I'll quickly add the UI components so that we can quickly move on to the main part. Add image view first, same as what we did in the last tutorials. Align to all the edges. Set the image as the one default which you have. You can keep any image whatever you have. Put up two labels basically. So first one would be master, as we always say. Don't worry, I'm not a chef, but I really want to cook something. Okay, let's align it into center of the screen. Okay, yeah, center of the screen. Constraint. Put up another label. This will be chef white. That would be 30 and bold. Alright, what will we do is we'll set the vertical spacing with the master to 60 here, and the other thing would be to horizontally align in the view. So add a horizontal view. So this creates our UI here, and the last thing which I missed is, hold on a sec, let me just, is the button which will perform the animation. So the button would be here. I'll be writing rotation animation as the label for this. So it will be in white color, bold, and 30. Okay, and I'll allow it horizontally in container, and lastly from bottom let's give it some 65. Okay, now let's create outlets for all the three elements which we have. And yeah, view controller for this new controller which we have added in the UI. So let's create a attach class, says that rotation view controller. Next step, save it. Okay, and then what you need to do is go into the recently created view controller, set the class as rotational view controller, same as we did for scaling. Okay, and then what you can do is we can select the rotational class here, and then we can let's control Z it. Let's and then we can create the outlets. Label 1, this label 2, and then this is the perform rotation animation. This will be an action. Rotation animation. Do a button. Okay, so now we have created the outlets as well. So let's start with how animation will happen. Okay, so as we know, UI view, we start with animate with duration, animation, and completion blocks. We take duration. Let's take it as 0.7. Anything you want. Then there will be an animation block, and there will be a completion block. Okay, now same as before, so we'll say label 1.transform is equals to CGAffineTransform, and then it will be rotation angle which we will be using. So we have already used the translation scale. Now we have rotation, so we'll perform the rotation and we will give a rotation as pi as the rotation, or pi by 2, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so rotation angle should be given in radian. It is basically in the radian angle. The same for transform. CGAffineTransform rotation angle. This I can give as pi. Okay, so this is how our rotation will happen. Let's see this and see how it performs, and then I can proceed with a furthermore refinement of this. That goes. Let's see this in action first. So this is a rotation animation, and see how the rotation is happening. But our label 2, okay, hold on a sec, this is my mistake, sorry. So yeah, let's play it again. I missed to change that label. Okay, next rotation animation. So this is one rotates to 90 degree and other rotates to 180 degree, but defining the rotation angle in radian is slightly a difficult task. You need to first let the what is the angle, and then convert into the radians. So let's create a function which will actually take the degrees from us. That's 90 degree, 180 degree, 270. That is how we do the how we define the rotation, and let it convert into the radians. Okay, so let's create a method which is I'll create it as static, so that it is a class method and it could be used by other classes as well in future. So it will be degrees to radians. What it will take is as a parameters degree, which is a CG float, and will return a float, CG float. So, and what it will do is just a one liner. It will do is it will calculate it will take the degree and it will convert into radian. Okay, so yeah, this is a standard method. You can get the source code from anywhere for this. Okay, and then here what I'll do is I'll just say self top. Okay, sorry, it won't be self because it's a class method. I'll say rotational degree degrees to radian, and I'll say rotate for 90 degrees. And for this I'll say rotational view degree, I'll say rotate to 180 degrees. Okay, and in completion block, let's slightly do a further animation on this. on completion block, what I'll do is we won't use the completion block as we don't need it. What I'll do is we'll transform back to their original position using CGAffine identity transform dot identity. This time I'll use equal to CGAffineTransform dot identity. Okay, so let's rerun the application and see how it goes. So degree to radians is a much easier, function which we have created so that it's easy to convert our degrees to radian, and we can easily remember we can give directly a radians. So see how it happens, and then it converts, returns back to its original position using the identity which we have used. Okay, so let's do it as 180 again. Let's run it again. Okay, this is how it is. So let's give a negative angle. Let's say I were to do it as minus 180 and this as minus 90. How this happens? So in this you can see the master is rotating into the negative direction, the opposite direction, but chef is again going into the same direction. That is, even if I've given minus 180, it is rotated in the clockwise direction, not the anti-clockwise. So this is one of the drawback of CGAffineTransform rotation, is that it calculates the shortest path, whatever is found to rotate the angle. Okay, so in this case 180 is same in both the directions, so it has taken the clockwise direction in this case. So this is one drawback with CGAffineTransform, that even if you define a 190 a negative angle, uh, it won't go in this direction as preferred or as we would like. So let's give a 270 degree as the angle. Okay, so it should actually rotate till 180 and then plus 90 degree, but if you can see, it will just rotate a 90 degree on the from the anti-clockwise direction. See, it has just in the anti-clockwise, it has just rotated the 90 degree. So this is one of the drawback of CG transform rotational. So this is how the rotation works and rotation of CG affine transform works. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.